Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we're going to do another short walk around in Kent. Today we're in Goudhurst, which is pretty much in the middle of Kent itself. Today it's a short walk, probably about 5 or 6k. We're currently on the outskirts, walking down through the valley, which we'll walk around a little bit, probably walk back up, see some nice views, and actually we'll see Goudhurst village itself, and talk a little bit about the history of the area. So the route we'll be doing today is in Goudhurst, which is in Kent. You can see Kent is in the southeast part of England. So if we zoom in a little bit, we can see our journey starts in Goudhurst village itself. From there we walk down out of the village, down the valley bit here, which we're currently walking through. We come up to probably a couple of farms and houses around this area, before making our way through more fields. I think there's going to be a lot of fields today. And then up this bit here, the top bit, so we start to walk back up the valleyway, and hopefully see a few more sights and views over the Kent Weald. From there, it's pretty much just a quick trek back towards Goudhurst itself and the little village, and then see what's around in the village area. So let's see what happens. So we're just walking past Trottenden Farm now. As you can see, we've got a couple of three oast houses in the video. So for people that don't know, oast houses are used for drying hops, and hops was a very big thing in Kent way back when. Unfortunately, these oast houses are now houses. It'd be very nice to live there. Anyway, so we're walking down this path now, along a couple more fields, and then maybe back up the valleyway. Said, Goudhurst is located pretty much in the slap bang middle of Kent itself. You probably, I don't know whether we can see it. But anyway, Goudhurst is over in this direction over here, up in the hills over there. You can't see it in a minute; it's all covered by trees. But anyway, so what's around this area? So Goudhurst, it's pretty hard to get to. You pretty much got to drive here or get a bus. There's no train station, I don't think. I think the closest towns are probably going to be Tunbridge, maybe Maidstone, but that's a bit far away. I think Cranbrook could probably be the closest bet to get to this area. As you can see, we're currently walking along the fields down in the valley. Just walked past some sheep, which were looking at me. But anyway, we're going to walk along these fields a little bit. There's probably not going to be a lot to see. So we'll get you back when there's something to see. So we just made our way up the valley there. We're currently now on the bridle path towards something called Swan Farm. From there we're going to go right across some fields. Hopefully see some views now we're at the top of the valleyway. The sun has finally made an appearance, so it's good to be in a little bit of shade at the moment because it's going to be really warm. I think about over 30 degrees I think today, which is going to be warm for the UK. Not very nice, are you? Ah. I don't think that cat liked me. Anyway, yeah, so we're just walking off the path now. We just passed the swan farm. We can't really see much. There's a cat's coming to find me now. Hello. No. I'll be scared too if it was me. Anyway, yeah, so we're walking down this path, yeah, through this field, I think. So yeah, let me pan you around. We'll see what's here. Not a great view, but yeah, not bad either. So we just come across the first viewpoint. As you can see behind, that is the Weald of Kent in all its glory. Very green. Yeah, I don't know whether you can see in the background as well. It's like way in the background is the North Downs. It's running all the way around over that way. Yeah, and it follows all the way down Kent basically towards the end of Dover. Anyway, so yeah, we're going to continue walking up here. Yeah, and get back to Goudhurst, which is somewhere in this direction. Just walking through Latham Estate. You can pretty much tell that we're walking through an estate based on the fences here. Yeah, all estates pretty much in the UK have like these iron fences, so yeah, it's one way to tell. I don't know whether we're going to see any of the houses. They all look pretty private, so yeah, if there is one that we can get close up at, we'll take a look at. If not, yeah, we're pretty close to Goudhurst now, so yeah, we'll pick you up there. So just walking up this path here, we just come up against a couple of really old trees. I'm not sure what they are. I think they're pine trees, but yeah, they look like they've been here years and years. Must be over 100 years old, surely. Anyway, I'll pan you around a little bit so you can have a quick look. I mean, yeah, have a look at them. It's so old. Anyway, let's continue on. So this looks like to be an allotment. Yeah, very pretty. Anyway, yeah, it's not too bad because, yeah, have a look at the views they've got. Not bad, is it? So, and there's even like a new seating point over there they put in. So it all looks very new. But yeah, so we're pretty much back into Goudhurst now. So we're just walking up this path, yeah, towards the church. Let me tell you a little bit more about, yeah, Goudhurst itself up here. So we finally made it back to Goudhurst. All in all, I think that was about a 3.5 mile walk in the end. So it wasn't too bad. nice leisurely walk in the sun because it's really hot today. Anyway, as you can see behind me, there was Church of St Mary's, and it has quite a bit of history, as you can imagine. It looks very old. Anyway, I was speaking to some locals earlier on. There used to be a gang in the 18th century called the Hawkhurst Gang. So Hawkhurst is another village just further down the road, but the Hawkhurst Gang were very notorious in this area, smuggling goods across from France, and general sort of violence in the area. Anyway, they had a clash up at this church at one point, but they weren't too smart. So what happened was they actually let the militia know they were coming in this area. So the militia took post up the top of the church up there, waiting ready for them. When they come, they didn't end too good. So that's pretty much the story. Very blue pond in the centre of Goudhurst. We finally walked out from the church. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up. It really does help. Also, if you want to see any more of my videos, please consider subscribing. Anyway, see you next time.